In this exercise, you'll make a new code space that you'll use to edit the files that are in your repo. So I am starting with my Hello World 2 repository. I have one file in there, index.html. And the first step is to go to github.com/codespaces. Your screen might look a little different than mine, but what you're trying to find here is a button that will give you a new code space. So I will click this green New Code Space button. And here you simply select one of your repositories. You might only have one repository, or you might have a whole bunch of repositories. That is fine. Just choose the one you want to work on. You can leave everything else as is and press Create Code Space. This is essentially VS Code Online. And you can even see that the name of your repo is here, and then -Visual Studio Code. This is hosted by GitHub. This is a developing space. And from here, we can actually edit our files and commit them to the repo so that your edits will be saved in your repo. Before I get started, I'll look over here in this sidebar, this kind of Explorer area. And I'm going to go down to the extensions module. And I would like to install an extension called Live Server. So I'll type in Live Server, and this one is the one that I'm going to install. The publisher is Ritwick Day. I will trust the publisher and install Live Server. Doing this will enable me to see my changes as I'm editing my code. I'll be able to see them in the browser. So once that's installed, I can now go back to the Explorer. I can see my code for index.html. And if I right-click or control-click on my Mac, I can scroll down the contextual menu and open this document with Live Server. I can only do that because I just installed the Live Server extension. So now I can see what my file looks like in the browser. And if I wanted to, this is going to be tricky because it's going to fall outside my video window, but let's just do something like this. I could keep this tab open while I make some changes inside my my Hello World document. So let me move that over a little bit more. Gosh, really have to move it over. All right. So now if I made, let's say, another paragraph tab, I could say it's January, and guess what? What? Still cold. Okay. And if I click over here, I don't actually even have to click, but if I come on over to my my Live Server, I can see what will happen inside the document that I just edited when it's previewed in a web browser.